How do you differentiate your construction renovation company from all the competitors out there? Think about that for a second. If you could stand above their head and shoulders in terms of differentiation, if your clients could see you as really different from the competition, and the competition, I mean, clients see the competition as a bunch of scammers and a bunch of people who steal deposits and never finish the work. So that's still our credibility in the construction industry. So what if you could rise above that and not be compared to that? Well, one of the companies that I recently looked at was custom built basements. They've been around forever, and they use an interesting technique. They basically convert dark, dingy basements into walkout basements. Instead of just doing the regular narrow staircase from the backyard, from the basement to the backyard, they excavate about 10 or 20 feet square, or 10 feet by 10 feet square, or 15 feet square, then create a room outside with a staircase going up to the upper level, or even just um, block the walls, cover the walls with vines or wood lattice or different techniques to create an interesting environment. Now that dark dingy basement with tiny little windows now has a 10-foot sliding door to bring in a lot of natural light. What does that do to the value of the basement? Now the client can rent that basement on Airbnb between $5,000 and $7,000 a month. Wouldn't that cover your mortgage, right? Pay off your house a lot faster, live in your own house free of charge, and have tenants from around the world pay your mortgage for you. To me, that's an incredible differentiation. And you should be thinking of doing something like that because I think it's an incredible concept. Not only are you helping the client pay off their mortgage, you're also helping them increase the resale value of their home. And if they're extremely happy, and I've heard it said many times, the basement is so nice, it's nicer than the upstairs. I'm going to move downstairs and rent the upstairs. I've heard that many times. But that's what we're talking about, differentiation. Differentiation can be done in the kitchen industry, the bathroom industry, especially the bathroom industry, especially the painting industry, right? Roofing. Wow, one day roofing is another example. They do two houses in one day. So if we're not using today's business tools, today's marketing, today's expectations, today's leverage tools, you are being left behind. It's not if you are already being left behind. The companies that take 2 or 3 days to finish a roof when one company could do two in one day, if you're not attracting the right people, it's not the economy, it's not a lack of available people out there. It's the fact that you're not using the right magnet to attract the right people, the right branding, differentiation, business blueprint, aggressive marketing system, internal training programs for advancement opportunities, right? So all those things have to be built into your company so you can attract top talent. And once you get top talent attracts more top talent. And that's how you're going to get from $1 million to $20 million, or at least $5 million. Would love to hear your questions, comments below, and let's talk again soon. Take care.